what you do if you have some money. Hi guys, and welcome back in today's video. Today I was thinking about my money, how can I increase my money, and what can I do with the money that I have, because I have not already the cash flow to go live alone, and so now I have a decent cash flow to live at home, and I can save some money. And I was thinking what's the best way to invest that money and how to make money with money. And I was thinking about the thing that I had $700 to invest. More, I have my cash flow and I have the money that I need to spend for the car, for my lifestyle, and for some food. But I was thinking how I spent that $700, because with that money I could get a full exhaust of my car, that it sounds really good. But I think that as a lot of my mentors said, don't buy think that it's depreciate in the time, but buy things that will give you value, and there are investments. So I decided to bought the course of Hayden Bowles. That it's a course about how to create an e-commerce on Shopify, and the course is really valued, and it's worth all the money. And I think that the value, it's really a big value. It's more than what I had paid. But it comes on my mind the question about what to do with money, because for me it was not really easy to choose a course, some hours of watching my computer, and the exhaust of the car. The exhaust of the car is really exciting because I like cars. I have changed the car 2 months ago, and a lot of my friends have the car really loud, and I wanted to have the good sound on my car. But I think a little bit long term, and the right thing for me, for my business, is not to have the car loud, but it's the money, it's the cash flow, and it's the success. Because if I buy today the exhaust, it's on my car, and okay, I can resell it, but the value keep the same. But with the Hayden course, now I have not already started implementing the things, but I think in the next weeks I will dedicate a budget for the e-commerce, that I think it's about $1,000, and I will implementing the things that I have learned, and see if I can create a good cash flow and make some good money doing e-commerce. And I hope that doing with that course I invested that $700, and I will make the money back and a lot more. So with that more money I can buy the exhaust of the car, or in the future another car. And maybe you don't know, but after the car that I have now, it's the Polo GTI, it's pretty much the Lambo, because I really like the Lamborghini. I have a friend that is share the car with the father, and it's really a good experience goes to on that car, and I want doing that every day. But I don't want to drive a Lambo only one day a week, because it costs too much. I want to drive the Lambo whenever I want, and drive how I want, not to go in saving mode, or I want drive in sport mode every day, and have this. And I hope that that course will help me to do this, and maybe then invest the money that I have with my e-commerce store in other things. And this was a little summary, a little thought that I had about the money. So if you have a little bit of money or a lot of money, try to invest that money. Don't spend going out, drinking, buying shit that you don't need. invest in your future, invest in yourself, because buying a course you can make more money, but if you buy something, maybe a Gucci hat, with that Gucci hat you cannot make more money. It's an investment. It can be difficult to take the money and invest, because at the beginning you see already lose the money because you don't have a quickly return on investment, but in the future that money will come again if you do exactly what the program say. And I will keep you guys updated on what the current situation with my e-commerce store. uh, but as I said before, the important thing is to make the right decision with money, and it's right to pay yourself, but if you can reinvest the money, and if you have your dream lifestyle, you can pay yourself with that money. But if you are grinding, and if you are maybe broke, or you don't have the income goal that you set, you don't want to use the money to buy something, because I was thinking it's better to be here at home, living here, and I cannot spend a lot of money, but I have the sound on my car, or it's better invest that money, be here at home, and trying to go and push what I can to go live alone and have my dream lifestyle, and have the car on normal sound. And for me, it's better to invest the money for the future happiness than now that I have a good car and I am happy and really grateful. But it can increase, but it's also rest a nice car. So I am not going with the bike or with a crappy scooter. I hope you took a lot of advice of this video, and if you're thinking to buy one thing that take you money or invest that money, I advise you to invest in money. I done, and how the most successful people done. Um and nothing. This was a little tough about me and my business. Subscribe to the channel because I'm posting more frequently, and you get free advice because subscribing this it's free. And see you in the next video.